Okay guys, Bobby D here. Welcome to today's video where I'm going to show you how you can earn up to $10 per email. Now, it's not often I get excited about something, particularly products. You know, those of you that know me, I'm an affiliate marketer. I review stuff all the time. But what I'm going to show you today is literally phenomenal. And I'm going to show you that it works 100% and I'm going to prove to you that it works, okay? This method is brilliant. I mean it. I'm going to show you my review site later on as we go along. I gave it 10 out of 10. And if you're struggling to make money online, honestly, if you're struggling at all, this 1,000,000,000% will force you to make money. Okay, it's going to force you to make money. I've tried it out once and I've made money. I'm going to show you as we go along. So what you're going to learn in today's video, let me just make that small. I'm going to show you where to get started. Okay, I'm going to show you how to get started. This is newbie friendly. You can do it over and over again and it works worldwide because it's all to do with email marketing. Now keep watching the video to the end, guys, and I'll show you a secret way, or how I do it, an easy way of how you can double your income and make a ton of extra money. Now, before we go on, guys, if you like what you're seeing, please hit the subscribe, hit the like, comment, and hit the bell. 4 things for you to do. But if you can hit the subscribe and the bell, leave me a comment below this and I'll answer any questions you've got. Even if it's nothing to do with this product, if it's to do with affiliate marketing, just drop me a comment and a like and I'll reply live on here. Now, this is all about affiliate marketing and email marketing. Now, you know that the money is in the list. You've heard it before, right? It is 1,000,000,000% true. Your money is in your list if you keep your list happy and you keep them engaged, okay? Now, you can start with a list of 10 people to thousands of people, all right? It's all about engagement. A list of 100 people can be as easily as good as a list of 1,000 people, easily, if those 100 people buy, all right? That is what it's all about. And now this is where I'm going to show you some crazy stuff. Now, let me just jump into something. Give me 1 second. So before we go on, this is all about affiliate marketing and having an email list, right? Just keep watching, guys, because this is phenomenal. So you know how to, you know what affiliate marketing is. It's buying and selling other people's products. This is Warrior Plus. These are some of the stats that you get. Anyway, that's just showing you what Warrior Plus is all around. What I want to show you is a couple of things. So this is my Get Response account. This is one of the lists that I sent some products to. Now this was a small list because I've broken it down. So 346 people in this list, but 43% of them opened it. Nearly half. 149 opened it. That is phenomenal. 16 clicked on my link, and that equated to 11 sales on Warrior Plus. Now, when you write an email, so let's have a look at this one here. It's difficult because you need to know what you're doing, all right? Now, this is, in fact, let's come out of that. Let me show you something else. What am I doing? So that was diamond. Let me show you bought it. So this is an email that I put together, and I got a 7% open rate, which wasn't bad. You know, 7% is not a bad open rate. And this was the email that I wrote, and that got me a 7% open rate. This is an email that I used, copied, changed with the new method, and I got a 43% open rate. It speaks for itself. That is a 43% open rate. I've just changed the text around a little bit, and I made 11 sales. So what is this all about? So let's go back to here. So first of all, there's a product that's come out called 5001 email swipes. I've bought it, all right? I bought it myself. I get products for free all the time, but I bought this because it is so powerful, all right? That's me buying it. This is some of my open rates using the new method. 39% on that one, 3% click rate. You know, that is brilliant, and that equated to, so those 2 emails using the new method so far and it's only went out yesterday. Where am I there? I've made 17 sales. All right, so far, not bad. 17 sales, not bad at all. And it's just getting started. There's another 2 days. I would think I'll get about 50 sales on this. I'll be unhappy if I didn't get 50 sales. That is using this crazy new method. Now, guys, if you like it, if you like the method, please leave me a comment below and make sure you hit that subscribe for me. So that is profit producing emails. Let's have a look at the web page, because it's actually quite a basic web page. Bosh. Let's have a look there. So this is from Matt. Matt Bacat is the biggest email marketer in the world. He makes millions of pounds. And what he's basically done is given you 5,001 ready, tested emails. These have been tested. He knows they work. He knows they can convert. And they're ready to go. You literally cut and paste them. And I've just proved to you that they work. 39% open rate. They work, guys. That is it. This is the sales page. Matt has never done this before. I can't believe he's doing it. I'm happy he's doing it because I've bought it and I've started using some of his swipes already, and I've made 17 sales. So it 100% works. Now, the thing about this product, guys, it is on what's called a dime sale. It started off at $7. It's now on $12.19, all right? It's going to go up again. It is going to go up again. You need to get this now. It's going to go up eventually to $97, all right? $97. So this is my website, Bobby D Online Marketing. Obviously, it's now gone up. It was $7.95. I've done a full review on there. Please have a look at it. Click these links here, and you can buy it through my link. And if you buy it through my link by clicking here, I've only got 16 spots left. I'm going to give you all these as a bonus. Top email marketing secrets worth $12.95. Email marketing methods $9.95. Email success $7.95, and email monetizer. This is really good, $9.95. I'll also give you build a better list, Listastic, and you're going to get you access to 2 huge PLR sites for a load of free content for free. I'm going to give you all that for free if you grab this through my link, guys. So 5,001 profits. It is absolutely astounding. I love it. It's going to make you a ton of money if you implement it. I've proved to you it works. I've done 17 sales with 39% open rate. Not really much more I can say to you. If you're going to buy one product, grab it. It is so good. It's going to go up to $97. Get it now while you can for under $12. And guys, please leave me a comment below. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. I'm Bobby D from Bobby D Online Marketing. That is it. I've got nothing else to say. It's brilliant. I love it. I'm using it. I'm making money. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell, comment, like. I love you. Cheers, guys. See you later.